Very good morning, students. Uh, Actually, in the last week, due to the heavy rain over the Maharashtra as well, the some states of our nation, so everywhere the infrastructural facilities were totally collapsed. So I was not able to post the lecture, but still I think I had post the PDF of this topic. But yes, we have time to we can uh, continue with the market survey. Actually, in the last lecture, what we have seen, it is about the market survey. Market survey is just as simple as it words, as its wording. Getting market survey, that means the surveying the market. As if you are an entrepreneur, then it is must thing or a step to conduct the survey in the market for the scope of your product, to know the competitor, then the strategies they defined by your competitor. Many things actually you can get after conducting the market survey. And regarding the theoretical definition of the market survey, it is just collecting the consumer's opinion, getting to define the verdict about the product. Or in other way you can say, you can process of collecting, then analyzing, then stating the product information. Getting that is a market survey actually. So importance we have seen in the last lecture itself. Then today we are going to see the types of market survey, or the common survey type we can say. Okay, basically two types are there: qualitative survey and quantitative survey. The name itself explains quantity. Quantity, that means the number of survey. Okay, or the number of surveys undertaken by the firm from the people. Okay, so in the quantitative survey, emphasis is on the quantity. Okay, that means 99% साइंटिस्ट और लोगों का सुझाया हुआ ब्रांड कोलगेट, how they have defined, it is not actually the blind statement. Okay, even the Parle-G, you might have observing that the largest selling biscuit in the world. Okay, so they have conducted the survey and then have defined the verdict. Okay, so for that cases they have choose the quantitative survey. That means they have surveyed the number of people. It means getting the people to answer the fixed questions in questionnaire. Okay, there are the fixed questions are there, and in the questionnaire म्हणजे प्रश्नावली. Okay, and that people have to respond, or the consumer have to respond to that questions. Okay, so it can be completed over the telephone, face to face, even via the online mode. Okay, nowadays it's going on. If you wanted to serve anything exclusive on the internet, then you might be knowing that you must have to fill some information, your name, your email ID. Getting, so that information they keep with them. So that's an online survey too. That means how many people have visited this website, or how many people have for example, last 2 days back, uh, Wings of Fire, Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So Google can upload the information how many people have searched the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on that day. Okay, so they have such information with them. So objective is measurement. It is important that all people answer the same question, that the fixed questions are there. So it's a quantitative survey. And second is the qualitative survey, the same itself example. It is exploring an issue with the people, what is actually the product is, or the what they perceive about the product. Actually, this is the issue. Okay, so there are no fixed questions. Interviewers use their interviewing skill to draw the views and opinions from people using a discussion guide. Through the discussion mode, the interviewer asks the question and get the results, or they get the what you can say, the opinion of the people. It can be conducted personally, over the telephone, or the internet, or the online mode. So two main approaches to qualitative survey: depth and focus group. Depth interview, that the individual one, okay, one to one. And focus group, individuals pass the ideas and discussion of each other. That means just let's collect the group first and spread in information, or the just give them a task, give them a knowledge task. So what will be the outcome will be that will be conducted through the qualitative survey. Then common survey types, different types are there. Actually, if I go thoroughly, then you might be imagine, will able to imagine that the what kind of surveys are. Okay, customer satisfaction, used to rate the performance. Actually, it gives me confidence that the 90% साइंटिस्ट का सुझाव हुआ ब्रांड अगर कोलगेट है, तो it means for me it's the safest one. Getting? So it is evaluative one, not a descriptive. It does not describe how it is or in which ways. They are just telling me yes, it is 99% सुझाव हो रहा brand. Okay. It in that kind of surveys, it may ask about the specific action or the more general qualities of the product. It can ask the specific problem or the general conditions encountered. For example, touring or the uh, what I can say, the direction, given direction questions they will be asked, directive questions they will ask to get the appropriate answer from the people. Okay, and which ultimately let you satisfy. So that is a customer satisfaction survey. Then market segmentation, that means the strata, you can say. So it is used to identify the well-defined cluster of customers with distinct preference in common. It may ask about the attitude, behavior, attributes. Getting? And defining the preference may not be library related, that means the bookish one. Getting? If you remember last time, I had given you an example that the dairy milk, actually children are most likely to consume the chocolates. But if you watch the advertisement of the dairy milk, then you will see most of the advertisements are the romantic one. Getting? So who is the actual consumer of the chocolate? Children. But what they are showing or they are choosing, that the young group, youngest group. Getting? A child can get, he will be satisfied if I purchase the 5 rupees dairy milk. But you will see in the that advertisement, at least it takes the 100 rupees to purchase this Cadbury. Okay, so that big one advertisement or the, actually they are just, you don't imagine actually, it is intentional one that why she don't like the 5 rupees dairy milk, why she is preferring the 100 rupees or the 120 or the more than the cost of that Cadbury. Okay now. So actually what I am intending to say, that the different segments or the that product gives you segment or the segmentize or the what you can say, um, it defines a strata actually. Okay now, for which product, who will be our consumer. So that survey help you to segmentize or the stratify the our product. Then service usage, used to identify who uses which service, how heavily, for what purpose. It may also identify the early adopter. Just a moment back, I told you that the Google is giving that the ordinary Indians are spending more than 8 hours, 3 hours, whatever it might be, on internet in a 1 week. It is average per head. Getting? So what is they are doing? They are explaining the service usage, that Google is providing the service, and Google is telling how many people have searched this person on that day, when, how, or actually what is service usage, how much intensive they are in service usage. That will explain the service usage. Then usage intention survey, it is used to determine how many of which kind of people intended to use some service in the next 6 to 12 months. used to forecast the demand. Usage intention. Getting. So, for example, this is the corona, it's a tragedy, and we have well defined state transport corporation, ST. Yes, in the Pune city buses are there. But if any company, for example Tata Motors, is conducting this survey that whether people will prefer to use the public transport services in the upcoming Diwali festival. So people will tell, no, we don't like. We will don't like because there are the chances are there to spread the corona. So they will more prefer the their own vehicles. Either they will take it on rent or either they will simply purchase it. So if they are going to purchase, then definitely there is a huge scope for a company's automobile sector like Tata Motors to produce the more cars. Okay, how will they get such ideas? Through the usage intention surveys. Okay, getting. So that is usage intention survey actually. Then brand image and perception. Again, I will place the example of that Parle-G or Colgate only. They are the well-established brand. Getting. So they are just doing or they are just applying the firmness in using such brand. It is used to understand how the library is regarded, how the people as it may be used to compare the library to other providers. Whatever the bookish things are there, getting that the actually it is not the example, but Sachin Tendulkar, the legend in cricket, he was a scientific cricketer. He was a scientific cricketer, and in opposite of the Mr. Sehwag, he was Manamauji, whatever. He was a self-decider. He doesn't value the bowler, never valued the bowler. It's first day, he's an excellent bowler, so how I should make the boundary. Doesn't matter for him. It was doesn't matter. Getting actually what I'm telling you that the brand image or the perception survey, how the people is thinking, what the people thinking about the brand, what is their perception, that kind of information is getting through the brand image or the perception survey. Okay, now. So many brands are there actually in the soap also. But why people like Liril or the Dove soap? Okay, now. So such companies will identify their brand value in the market. Then tracking survey used to determine whether an advertisement or political campaign is having the desired effect or no. You can see the political things that the surveys are conducted over there. Okay, now. So that is a tracking survey actually. You must take baseline survey before the campaign starts as a basis for the comparison. Then it can be re-administered at a regular interval. It may measure the awareness, support, image of any person or the brand, knowledge, usage, or anything else that the campaign is aimed. Getting. So it will track the success or failure of the survey or the that advertisement. Then media usage used to identify which media format are likely to reach which groups. Getting. That means in Andhra Pradesh, which media is most powerful? Like in the hilly areas, that the uh, radio is most powerful because of the signal problem. Okay, so likely somewhere in the different parts, which media is most or the frequently used. Okay, then how to prepare a questionnaire for survey? Simplest one actually. Decide what information you want. First thing, to gather the from people. Then keep survey as short as possible, asking only those questions which will provide the information you need and which will have the direct relation. Okay, then use a casual conversational style. Getting. Then structure the survey first. Logical order must be followed. Then MCQs. It will be easier for the respondent to respond. Then leading questions you should avoid. Getting? That means if you are asking the leading question, for example, that if the wife is asking husband, today's sabji is excellent, no? So in such situation, that husband don't have any choice to say no, because it is a total leading question. So you have to respond, it is excellent. Getting? So such kind of leading question you should avoid. Then use the same rating scale throughout your survey. Getting? Actually different scales are there, Thurston scale, many are things. So it will be better. Actually, either in the analyzing part also, it will be easier for the surveyor, interviewer to follow the one statistic. Then test the survey, pre-testing first and then actual testing. Then steps in conducting the market survey: define the objective, decide the specific information. Okay, now, so how to conduct? Standard set of question first thing. Then you must know who is your potential customer. Getting? Then create a simpler form, MCQs. Then a written survey you must have with you. Then identify the customer who is going to fill your survey. Then respondent should get the appropriate time to answer. Getting? Then some important things or the concepts are that will be useful in the objectives. Getting? So what is market information? So market information, you can know the prices of different product, commodities, supply and demand situation. So information about the market can be obtained from different sources at a time, variety of formats. Then market segmentation. It is a division of the market or population into subgroups. Getting? So if you remember that the same example or the same definition is there in the communication. Getting? Segmentation, communication segmentation, or the audience segmentation. Getting? So audience segmentation is as same that the population, divide the population into the subgroups. Getting? Then market trend, आपण म्हणतो ना trend. So it's upward or downward movement of the market during a period of time. Getting? So market trend for the mask is increased because the corona. Getting? The market size is more difficult to estimate if you are starting with the completely new thing. So such thing you must know. So actually this thing we have covered, but still if you see the definition, systematic collection. Getting? Then aspects of the market survey. Which are the aspects of the market survey? What things actually you should know or you should include in the market survey? That you must know the size of market. Actually, that means at what is the scope of your product expansion. So in that light or in that focus, you should anticipate your market. Okay, now. So then pattern of demand. What will be the pattern of demand? Who will be the customer? Then how I can implement this in the existing market structure. So what kind of market structure is there? Actually, in the European market, it's a total open. And in our India, it's a coexistence actually of the two ones. Then buying habits and motives of the buyers. Then proposition of unique selling of the certain product. Getting? That the toothpaste, Colgate, hair oil, Parachute. Actually, these are the unique selling of the thing. Getting? If you wanted to purchase the toothpaste, just go in the rural area and you just ask. So they will say Colgate. Then that the shopkeeper will sell them either Pepsodent or the Sensodyne. But what they will ask that for them, a toothpaste is synonymous to Colgate. That much existence or the coexistence is there. Getting? Then past and present trend of the product. Then steps, define objectives. Then you must have the ready sampling plan. Then prepare the questionnaire, collection and analyzing of data, and at last reporting to the agency. Then schedule, it is actually that we will do it again. Okay now. So suppliers, manufacturer and competitor. So for everybody, it is how to conduct the market survey. It is there. So for today, it is enough. And with this, our chapter of market survey is over. In the next lecture, I think today we have the practical. So I will share group meeting and telephonic conversation. Actually, if you are observing, then you might be knowing that almost all theory chapters are there in the practical. Okay, so prepare accordingly, please. Thank you.